All right, we're going to look at this lesson summary real quick. So we are considering the sequence if we have 2 to 5 to 8. How would you describe how to calculate the next term from the previous? So in this case, what we're doing is we're adding 3 to each term. So 2 plus 3 gives us 5, 5 plus 3 gives us 8, 8 plus 3 would give us 11, 11 plus 3 would give us 14. And so a way to describe this sequence is we would say the starting term is 2, and the current term, so the current term that you're on, depending on where it is, you take the previous term and you add 3. That's an example of an arithmetic sequence. Remember, an arithmetic sequence is one where the value of each term is the value of the previous term, so the term right before, with a constant added, or a constant subtracted, which is like adding a negative. If you know the constant to add, you can use it to find the other terms. So we can find terms really far out. For example, each term in this sequence is 3 more than the term before it. To find the constant, sometimes we call that the rate of change. We've talked about that a lot. We can also call it the common difference. You can subtract the consecutive terms. This may also help you determine if that sequence is arithmetic. So for example, if we look down here, that sequence says 3, 6, 12, 24. That is not an arithmetic sequence, because if we do 6 minus 3, that does not give us 12. That actually gives us 3. If we do 12 minus 6, that gives us 6. So all of those are giving us different numbers. So the change that's happening here is not consistent. But in the sequence of 100 to 80 to 60 to 40, you'll see that if you take these two terms, 80 minus 100, that gives you 20. That is equal to, if we take 60 minus 80, that also gives you, negative 20. 40 minus 60 gives you negative 20. All of these are subtracting 20 or adding that negative 20 each time they have that common difference. Okay. It is important to remember that while the last two lessons today and yesterday have introduced this geometric and arithmetic sequences, there are many other sequences that are neither geometric nor arithmetic that you'll learn later in your math careers.